Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create outbound change sets in Salesforce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, we need to go to setup, then we click on setup, and after that, we need to go to the deployment settings. So simply go to the quick find and type deployment, and here we will go to the deployment settings. After that, you will need just to click continue, and from here, you will need to make sure or to edit your deployment settings and make sure to allow the inbound changes. Now, I'm just going to click save, and after that, we need to go and start creating our outbound change sets. So you will need to go after that to the source organization that you want to create a change set for, and then you will need to go in search for the outbound change set. So let's just search for the outbound, and from here we can click on it and then click on continue, and from there you can click on new one. So from this one to another connected organization. So it depends on which way you want to have this change set. You will need just to have. Now you can just give a name to the change set, my set, and after that we will just click on next, and from there you can start viewing and adding to select the components to add the change set for. So for example, here we need just to change set for anything. So basically any uh, application or whatever. I'm just going to add to change set, and from there you can start adding the set details and some profile settings for the components. Then and basically, you can also add some dependencies to your application, for example, this, and you can add all the components of the app to its uh, to the component or to the change set. Then at the end, you will need just to upload the change set, and then you will need to add another organization or the target organization to add the change set for. So basically, that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.